Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and isolating the appliance. This protects you and the electronics. Once unplugged and water shut off, wait 10 to 15 minutes so capacitors bleed off. Make sure you have the correct LG replacement compressor, gasket kit, and a multimeter. Take photos and mark every wire to preserve connections. Remove the back access panel and clear dust with a vacuum so you can see the line set and mounting bolts. This is crucial before unbolting anything. Now you work on the heart of the job, removing the old compressor. First, ensure refrigerant has been recovered by a certified tech or confirmed evacuated. Never vent the gas. Disconnect the electrical harness and start unfastening mounting bolts while supporting the unit. Carefully detach the suction and discharge lines by unsoldering or unbolting. Immediately cap the lines to avoid moisture ingress. Once free, lift the compressor straight out, taking care to avoid bending the line set or damaging the evaporator. You place the new compressor into position, tighten mounting bolts to the specified torque, and reconnect electrical harnesses exactly as labeled. Reattach or braze refrigerant lines using new gaskets and insulate joints. Once sealed, pull a deep vacuum to below 500 microns, then perform a leak check. Recharge to the LG specified refrigerant charge, restore power, and monitor amp draw and temperatures for normal cycling. If the compressor won't start, check the start relay and capacitor for continuity, and replace the start device if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.